Why do 85% of Icelanders use geothermal energy? Let's find out with these mind-blowing facts. Fact number 1. Geothermal energy is practically endless. The Earth's core produces enough heat to power the entire world for billions of years. Incredible, right? Fact 2. Did you know that geothermal plants can run 24/7? Unlike solar or wind energy, it's not dependent on weather conditions. Talk about reliable. Fact 3. Geothermal energy is super clean. It produces almost no greenhouse gases, so it's a win for the planet. Fact 4. Geothermal power plants have a tiny footprint. They take up much less space than other power plants, making them perfect for conserving land. Fact 5. Geothermal energy has been used for thousands of years. Ancient Romans used it to heat their baths. That's some serious staying power. Love these mind-blowing facts? Hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science content.